morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, great. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So you all had your proper breakfast? अब tummy fill है ना? ना भूख लगने वाली है. So now you can focus on your studies, isn't it? So it's time to begin the class. Can anyone tell me which all letters, cursive letters we have completed? We have learned how to write alphabet A. We have also learned how to write alphabet B. Now, in the previous class, I have taught you how you have to write alphabet C. And today, we are going to learn the formation and sound of alphabet D. Yes. So, can anyone tell me what is the day today? Yes, today is Thursday. Very good. So, how many days are there in a week? Yes, who's going to tell me how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Yes. So, can anyone tell me the name? Because every day I am asking you what is the day today, what is the day today, and every day we are writing a new day. So, there are 7 days in a week. After 7 days, वापस से वो 7 days repeat होते हैं. So, can you tell me those 7 names, the names of the days? Let's start. Monday, say with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, so there are 7 days now. And Saturday, Sunday is holiday, isn't it? Great. So class, with Thursday, as you all know, today is Thursday. The date is 22nd October. Okay? And what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn the formation and sound of alphabet D. So when I was teaching you capital alphabets, जब हम capital alphabets कर रहे थे, I told you the formation of alphabet D. So capital D कैसे लिखते हैं? First we draw a standing line, isn't it? Like this we draw a standing line and then we draw a curve like this. So this is your capital D. You have learned that, isn't it? Okay. So today I am going to teach you how to write lowercase or you can say small cursive letter D. ठीक है? And why we learn cursive writing? Because when in the high class, जब आप धीरे धीरे ऊपर की classes में आते जाएंगे, you have to write words, sentences, phrases. धीरे धीरे आप सब चीजें लिखना start करेंगे. So to write them, you need to join alphabets together. अब जब join करने होते हैं alphabets, तो हम cursive writing में लिखते हैं. And when we are writing in cursive format, हमारी writing beautiful होती है. With that, we are able to complete our work fast. Because when we write in cursive, we can do it fast also. बहुत speed से काम होता है हमारा. Okay? So now let us understand the sound. So can you identify these pictures that I have drawn here on board? There are a lot of pictures. One by one we'll identify them. We'll write their name. And when ma'am will write the name of these pictures, you repeat with me. ठीक है? उन pictures का नाम बोलेंगे and then you will understand the sound. Sound आप ही बताएंगे मुझे. Clear? Phonic rhyme. I am repeatedly telling you. You have to keep on revising your phonic rhyme every day. At least 2 times आपको phonic rhyme हर रोज बोलनी है. So when you will repeatedly revise it or you will repeatedly sing it ना, you will be thorough with all the sounds. आपको सारे sounds अच्छे से learn हो जाएंगे. Okay? और उसके बाद जब हम sounds की dictation लेंगे या जब मैं आपको कोई भी word बोलूँगी, आप different sounds सुन के ना उनको join करके लिखेंगे and you will able to write the word also. Okay? So let's begin now. Can you tell me what picture is this? So all the rooms have it. हर room में entry और exit पे ये जरूर होता है. Because this is the only one which tell where the room and from where we have to enter and we have to come out. So what is this? It's a door. Yes, door. So when I am saying the word door, अब starting की beginning sound आपको पता करनी है. write the name of this picture. So the name is door. ठीक है, what is the name? The name of this picture is door. Okay. Now the next picture, that square shape. ये देख रहे हो आप कुछ ऐसा? Can you tell me what is the name of this shape? What is this? Yes, come on, fast tell me what it can be. It's a dice. Yes, Ludo खेलते हैं आप? You play Ludo, you play snakes and ladder. So you play all these games. So can you tell me? हमें इसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? We use it? Yes, we do use it. Okay. So when we use it while we play, what we call it? आप इसको ऐसे जगलप करते हो and you throw it. So can you tell me what is this? It's a dice. Again, when I am saying the word dice, so can you tell me which sound is coming to you? Yes, class, which sound is coming when I am talking about the word dice? D. Yes. So see. So dice. D again. Clear? Now next is this picture. What is this? Something very sweet. We love eating it. और ये बीच में ना इसमें एक होल होता है और ये जो पार्ट होता है ये बहुत स्वीट होता है. It is deep fried. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी टॉपिंग्स लगी होती है. टॉपिंग्स in the form of chocolates, sprinkles. So what is that? Donut. Yes. So it's a donut. So again. Now, again when I have written door, dice, now this is donut. Can you see they all are beginning with D? They all are beginning with D. Now, when they are beginning with D, what sound is coming to you? Dice, door, donut. Then the next picture we have is drum. So which drum? Dimpy the drum. So what Dimpy the drum says? Yes, class. Da. Yes. So this is a drum. Now can you tell me who's this? It's a duck. Yes. So we'll write duck. Duck. Now who's this? One we keep as a pet. The dog. Very good. So we'll write that here. So now, when you will observe all these names, you will find that I have begun the name of these pictures with the. Door. The door. Now say with me. Door. The की sound आ रही है. Then dice. Then we have donut. Drum. Then we have duck. फिर से ड की आवाज आ रही है. Then we have dog. Again d is coming. So what we have found that the pictures, the objects that begins with alphabet D sounds is d. Clear? So we'll write that here now. So the sound of alphabet D says D. D says D. Now let's see how to write cursive. So as you all know, lower blue line से start करते हैं हम अपना alphabet हमेशा, isn't it? So you all know how to write alphabet C. Last class में आपने सीखा था. उसी से related ये alphabet है, उसी formation से काम होगा. C. First we'll write C. हमने C ऐसे ही सीखा था. This is the formation of C. Now हमने C को यहाँ stop किया था. जब हमने A सीखा तो यहाँ से हम वापस आते थे. अब D के लिए हम ऊपर blue line पे touch करेंगे. We'll come back and like this. Once again. Like this. Now, अब आप ये देखिए, when I taught you alphabet B, मैंने the formation of cursive D. Understood? I'll write here once again. Like this, you will practice your cursive D. देखो अगर ये लाइन हट गई तो ये A जैसा दिख रहा है, लेकिन हमने क्या करा, अगर ये ब्लू लाइन पे रहता तो ये A दिखता। हमें इसकी जो ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन है ऊपर तक टच करनी। सी ये A की फॉर्मेशन आप सबको आती है ना, बट यहाँ से ना स्टॉप करके वी हैव टू टेक इट टिल रेड लाइन एंड देन वी कम बैक। This is the only difference. So you all know how to write alphabet A. A में हम blue line तक आते थे, but when we are doing the formation of alphabet D, तो आपको ऊपर red line तक जाके उसको touch करना। Clear all? Okay. So now let's see our work in our today's book work. So in book you are going to do work on page number 24 and 25. So open your second book of English. So all of you open that and the book work to be done. Now open page number 24 first. Book page number 24 and 25. So these both are your today's classwork. Clear? So what you have to do on page number 24, you have to match. Now don't get confused in B and D. Clear? So you have to match the alphabets. And second is on page number 25. Earlier you practiced alphabet C formation. Today you are going to practice the formation of alphabet D here. Understood? And after this we are going to do work in our notebook. That is, you have to write cursive alphabet D in your notebook today. You will draw pictures, you will color them, and after that practice writing alphabet D in notebook. Clear? So let's see how to do the work. So class, now let's see how we are going to do the formation of cursive letter D in our notebook today. Clear? So you can draw some pictures like this, a door, drum, dice or something else, whichever you feel like. Clear? Now first we are going to write the capital letter, then small letter and then the sound. So D, D. D says D. Clear? So first let us now start our work writing the date today. So what is the date, class? Today is 22nd October 2020. Clear? So after writing the date, what you have to do? You have to write HW here. So we'll write HW. Okay, so as I told you, D says D, door, D drum, D dice. So we'll write the names here now. Door, drum, dice. Clear? Now let's do the next. So now let's see how we are going to begin with the formation of cursive D. So can you see I have put a small dot on the lower blue line, isn't it? Or yesterday in the previous class I have told you how to write cursive C. अब हमें similarly उसी तरह से बनाना है. First let us see how we'll do. C, ये हमने C बनाया था. This was the C we learnt ना. अब आपको क्या करना है? You'll go up, ऊपर वाली रेड लाइन को टच करके you have to come back. Now see once again, like this. Understood? how you are going to write this alphabet. See, once again I am telling you, यहाँ से start करना है C again. Now you have to be very careful. देखो मैम से भी कई बार क्या होता है, it goes outside the blue line. If it happens, then you have to erase it. You have to erase the work. It should be between your blue lines like this. सिर्फ जो इसकी ये standing line है, that will touch the red line. Okay? So like this you will do the formation. So do it slowly but do it correctly. Clear? How you are going to do the formation of alphabet D in your notebook? So I'll repeat once again. Now 2 lines dot के साथ. अब ये बताओ what is the mistake in this? Is it correct? Just see. Is it correct? No, it is not. क्या क्या गलती है बताइए. ये रेड लाइन से ऊपर चला गया है, ब्लू लाइन से भी बाहर हो गया है, डबल लाइनिंग आ गई है. सो मैनी ऑफ यू डू इट लाइक दिस. इट इज एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. क्लियर? सो व्हाट वील डू, we'll erase it and we'll write once again. So first let us erase it. And now we'll write once again. See. Like this. Again mistake ना, नीचे चला गया तो भी erase करना है. I told you it has to be just between the blue lines like this. Clear? How you are going to do the formation now? देखो मैम is also doing it slowly ना. So you also have to do it slowly only. Clear? As I told you, don't be in a hurry to finish the work. You have to do it correctly. Take your time to learn it, but do it correctly. Like this, you are going to complete the whole page and draw any picture, color it as well. Coloring ज़रूर करनी है, because when you do your colors ना, the notebook becomes so beautiful. different color की pictures बनती हैं, isn't it? So color the pictures and practice the formation of cursive letter D. Clear everyone? So class, you might have understood how to complete your today's work. Complete your work in the book as classwork and in the notebook as homework. With that, don't forget to practice your phonic rhyme. And one thing more. Now we have completed 4 alphabets. So A, B, C, D. We have done all these. We have done the first 4 alphabets. So now keep practicing all these 4 alphabets in your practice notebook. Clear? So we'll start practicing in our regular notebook also, but at home you can practice these letters in your practice notebook so that you are thorough with the formation. Formation practice बहुत must है. Repeatedly I am saying, so keep practicing your work. Okay? Bye for now and get ready for the next class. Take care.